On guys, this is Addison with the Swear Car Company, and I have a tutorial to show you on how to actually have your car spray perfume at you. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So let's get to it. As per usual, we gotta like flex the style of the car. I mean, look at that thing. That thing is so sweet. You got like the e-trons on right there. Okay, anyways, I'm getting distracted. Okay, so let's get inside real quick. And bada bing, bada boom, we're inside. And the camera's all foggy. There we go. All right, so anyways, let's get to this little feature right here. So what you do is you go to climate control. You are shown all of this. I know, it's a lot, but we'll cover a lot of that in a later video. Anyways, I wanna focus on this little tiny thing right here. That's the perfume button. It is so cool. So basically when you spray this stuff, it is actually going to spray this type of scent that'll go throughout your car. The cool thing about it though is that there's two different types of fragrances. In order to choose the other one, you go up to the settings button to the right and you press fragrance, and you have winter and summer, and you have different types of levels. So you got subtle, light, medium, and strong. So why would you use this? Well, let me tell you. If you have a date or you got something where you're going to a party and you got a bunch of people in the back and you don't want your car to be smelling bad. You don't want it to be smelling like the Burger King burger you were just eating about 30 minutes ago. You want it to smell awesome. So you press that button and your car is gonna smell great. But anyways guys, I loved making this quick little video and I will see you guys in the next video. See ya!